G'day everyone, Toby here. What I want to do in this video is quickly show you how to go ahead and add additional autoresponder emails to your follow-up series. Now with the protection through gold, in the initial setup you would have loaded the code which automatically loaded all the series. What we want to do is go ahead and add some additional emails. We have 3 new sales pages for the protection through gold. So what we need to do is personalize those and go and create some additional emails. Now you will be receiving these off me, so it's a simple matter of cutting and pasting. What I've done here is highlight the email that we're going to be copying. So basically this is one of them. Okay, there is a clickable link which we're going to go ahead and change. So firstly, that's what I want to do. I want to click on this link. It's going to open up this page here. Now you see it's protection through gold. Listen closely. Now this is actually coded to you, and we'll go through your sales funnel. So what you need to do in the address bar is change it to your username. So I'm just going to put in one of my team members here and hit enter so it loads. Fantastic. So that's the one we're going to use. We'll be using to copy. Also, in the PS of this email, we've got the step-by-step setup. So that's a coded page as well. So we're going to open that in a new tab and going to change the username to whatever your username is. Okay, so I just want to double check. I always check and double check links. Okay, so Damon will say yes, it is correct. So they're the links we're going to be copying in this particular email. Now, what we're going to also need is this image saved, so when we can save it, upload it to Aweber. So what we're going to do is just right click on it. I'm going to save image as. I've actually saved it, so I won't go ahead and do it, but you just save it to wherever you like on your computer. And you probably already have a photo of yourself. I encourage you to put photos of yourself, doing different things. It really builds relationships with people. Lets them know that there's a real person behind the emails. So if we come back to Aweber, what we're going to go ahead and do is click on drag and drop email builder. Now what we need to do is set up some little segments. You'll notice when it loads, okay, there's this first paragraph with a bit of default text. What we need to do is arrange the email in the same format as the one we want to copy. So in the body we've got some text, then an image, then a little bit more text, another image, and then some more text in the PS section. So we want to set that up in the same format, and then it's just a simple matter of cutting and pasting. So we have a paragraph. Then what we do is just go up to image because we want the image to be next. We click and drag. Then after that image we want another paragraph, some more text. Then after that we want some more, another image. And then after that in the PS we want another paragraph. So simply what we do now, so we've got the format there created. What we need to do is come back to the body. Now I want to copy all of the body. You can obviously write your own, but I just wanted to show you the simplicity of cutting and pasting this. Okay, so this is copied across. Here's something that I wasn't expecting to come up. A bit of code here. I'm just going to get rid of that. And I'm also going to reduce the spacing between these words just to be a bit more reader friendly. So there's the first bit copied. We'll come back and change the links and correct those in a minute. The next bit, we want to click on the image to edit. In this case, to upload a file from your computer, which we just saved from the email before, we go in here and click, I'll go ahead and click it, I know exactly what it is. Once this loads, we can rearrange the size. And that should, yep, there we go. Okay, so that's loaded. What we rearrange the size simply by grabbing this arrow down the bottom right corner and dragging. So that looks like a good size to me. So that's in the middle at the moment. We have the different alignments here on the right hand side. I'm going to align it to the left, but you will notice for some reason that the text paragraph below has actually gone up to the side now. So I'm going to double click on that and just put the cursor at the front, and all this default text down to underneath the image. Okay, going back to the email, the next little bit of text, just a couple of lines there. Just going to copy and come back here and paste. Okay, I'm just going to reduce that space. Next bit is the photo. In this case, I've already got a photo of myself loaded in an image gallery. Okay, it's aligned at the middle at the moment. Just going to put that over to the left. That size is pretty good. But you will notice that this text is once again sort of crept up. So I'm just going to double click in here and hit enter and drag that down, and this is where the PS will go. Okay, so just drag and drop the PS, the next text, copy, and come across here and paste that in. Okay, and I'll space that out a little bit. So there's the basic format for the email. All looks pretty good to me. What we need to go ahead and do now is change the links. Always change the links, always test your links to make sure they're coded to you. The last thing you want to do is have someone joining somebody else's team. Okay, so the first hyperlink we have here is this click image. What I will do firstly, because I have this page open, we've already changed it to your username, is to highlight it, copy, and come back to Aweber, highlight the click image and go to link. Okay, so currently it's linking to Yellowfin, which is my one. I'm just going to change that, paste that in, and then click below, and then just make sure it is. Yep, so get busy living. Correct. We want to change the link of the image as well. Simply click on it, and we want to put the image link, paste it in there, and just click somewhere off the screen, or off the section, and just get busy living. So that's all good. Now what we want to do is this step-by-step setup link. So just again checking that the username is the one that your link. I'm going to copy it and go to the link button. Okay, so it's just an example at the moment. What we're going to do is paste. Okay, and that has automatically come up there. And what I'm going to do is just highlight this text link and paste that as well. So that they should all be changed. All looks pretty good to me. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and save it. Oh no, we've got to put the subject in. So come back and copy whatever the subject is, or you can create your own. Just going to copy and paste. Come back down, save it. Then we're going to go ahead and test it, send myself an email, and check the links, and then it'll be good to go. Okay. Sending. Sent. Should have that. There it is. display the images. Now this is where you just go ahead and check the links. Okay, so that first one didn't change for some reason, so that is actually appearing yellowfin. If you look down the bottom left hand side, when I hover over it, it still says yellowfin. This link is Get Busy Living, so that's changed. Okay, that says example, that hasn't changed, and that one has. So, okay, good, we checked. What I want to do is go back and edit the message. For some reason, this link didn't change. Okay, yellowfin. Okay, so it was the Get Busy Living link that we wanted. Copy and paste. Maybe it just didn't. I don't know what happened there. Okay, and this was the other link, the step-by-step one. I'm going to recopy that. And paste. Oops. I just want to undo that. I'm just going to go ahead and write it and do another link. I'm going to, and then that's where I'm going to paste it. Right, fantastic. I'm going to highlight that. No, that was the underline. Cancel. The text black. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and save it again. And once it saves, just do another test. Okay, should be in here. Display images. Okay, and again, for some reason, this isn't changing. So I'm going to do it again. I don't know what the issue is there. And what I'm going to do is just change it while it's in here. Okay, validating. Let's see if it works this time. Have a test, send test. Sometimes computers got their mind of their own, so we just have to figure it out. Get Busy Living. Okay, there it is. That link is correct. As we see the bottom left when I hover over it, that one and that one. Okay, so that email is good to send out now. And what you can also do, so once that's right, what you can also do is click next. Okay, and at the moment, so it's default setting is to send the next email number 25 990 days after the previous. What we want to do is change that to 1 or 2 or whatever your preference is, and then save and exit, and that's it. So simply a matter of cutting and pasting, and yeah, go ahead and enjoy those new sales pages and load them to your autoresponders. Cheers.